Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone. Now you can see here, no caller ID unknown, no caller ID, etc. If I tap on it, it doesn't do anything. And if I tap on the little I, it doesn't show me exactly who is calling. Normally, you can just go through the process of blocking that caller and then they won't be able to call you anymore. But a lot of times they just come from different phone numbers or it says unknown caller. Now, one option you have to be able to silence them is to swipe down from the top right. Now, from here, you can choose, if you tap on the Do Not Disturb option, to turn on Do Not Disturb. But this silences every single call on your iPhone, including the calls from legitimate people that you do want to hear from. So this isn't a great option if you just want to be able to silence just the unknown callers. To be able to do that, let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. There is a setting that will allow you to silence all of those. You'll still get the voicemail if they leave a voicemail, but you won't have that phone ringing when they call you. To be able to do that, we need to get to your phone settings. So scroll to the very bottom, and you can see at the very bottom is apps. So let's tap on that, and then we're going to get to the settings for your phone. So just scroll down until you find phone on this list. So there we go. There is that phone settings. So tap on that. And now this allows you to control the settings for your phone. This might look a bit different depending on which carrier you have, but the iPhone comes pre-installed with the option to screen out all of the unknown callers. You can see it says screen unknown callers. If I set it to never, it will just ring to my iPhone. However, I can ask the reason for calling. Essentially what this does is before it rings to your iPhone, it will ask the person, hey, why are you calling? And if they respond, it will send you a message on your iPhone and you can choose to pick it up. Or if you wanted to, you can choose to silence. It says calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on your recents list. Now, keep in mind, you can also turn on unknown callers and spam call filtering. I'll show you where to find them. So if you head into the phone app after turning all that on and go back out of here, you might not see them anymore on here. And that's because there's a filter icon at the top right. You can tap on that, and here you can see unknown callers and spam. If I tap on unknown callers, it will just show me all of those callers that are unknown. A lot of these, in this case, you can see spam risk, spam risk, spam risk, political call, etc. All these phone numbers I don't want to ring to my iPhone, and my iPhone will just silence them. If they do leave me a voicemail, I'll just be able to tap on voicemail to be able to listen to it and see if I actually want to call them back. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.